Yo, good morning, guys. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to yet another live stream. Today is 28th of August, 2026, and today we're gonna be trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome everybody to the live stream. I'm so happy to have all you here. I'll get into the top down in just a second. Let me mention, everyone, we got our trusty little monster today. Oh, look at this beauty, man. Ooh, let's go. Yo, Plastic, good morning, welcome. Let me switch to the live. I'm sorry for being a little bit late today. I had to go to the bathroom. I hope you guys can understand. But yeah, let me get everything squared up. Okay, so without further ado, I hope you guys realize what's happening here. Good morning, Deji. Good morning, Doble. Good morning. Cheers. Yeah, without further ado, I did send out the TDA. Right, the TDA was sent out in a little bit of a rush, but nevertheless, the narrative is the same. Okay, so what are we expecting here? On the hourly, right, we have this little daily reversal. Well, not so little, right? It's a couple thousand points. We have this little daily reversal. Currently, we are rejecting off of the MM from yesterday, which honestly, I mean, hey, like textbook. It's like textbook. So what we said, there was this little lower time frame just right here. After it, I said, yeah, the high, I want it to be taken for a short and maybe even the top of the So what happened was took out the high and shorted, tapped the and shorted. Create a little double top here. We are in this little tiny range as we speak. The market is gonna open in just about 8 minutes, so that's perfect. I'm looking to long this SNDR down below if it does come to it before Warsh is gonna speak. I hope Warsh is not gonna, you know, disrupt the markets too much. But yeah, what I had us doing for today, we have 5 swings. Let me count the swing. Let's go count the swings, right? This is the fourth. This is the fourth 15-minute swing, and this is the fifth, right? This little tiny swing that we are currently trading in, this is the fifth swing. I saw Kay, I think it was you, right? You took an entry here. No, it was yeah, okay. I'm a Imola. Imola, yeah, you took an entry here. It's more so the swing count here, right? This is the fifth swing. I wasn't really expecting this to hold, but yeah, it did create that double top on that and now we are trading lower, right? With us trading lower, hey, perfect, right? Took out that first low. We do have that second low just down below. This is our second low. I am expecting for a little bit lower to come. Yo, good morning, welcome everybody, welcome. Yo, Wink saying Rust vegan. Yo, welcome to the live stream, my guys. But nevertheless, I am expecting another 50 here, possibly at market open. We could tap that 50, give a little rejection, then sweep it and come lower. With Warsh speaking today, I do think we are gonna get much lower prices. Now, this is just my subjective opinion, right? Don't listen to it. Let me just, yep, perfect. That's just my subjective opinion. But yeah, we do have this little rounding on the lower time frame with these double tops. This is our equal highs. I mean, just perfect, right? The price action that we currently have is amazing. So without further ado, how are you guys doing? And are you profitable for the week? We'll get them. I'm done for the month. -2R. Fuck it, we ball. Hey, Rust, let's cut the losses short, right? We don't need to take any more. Perfect. That's all you need. That's all you need, brother. We'll get them next month. Next month is gonna be September. Oh shit, it's gonna. Ooh. Yo, Winksane, nice. Russ, I swear I didn't even see the message before I said that, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. But yeah, I am currently expecting us to to drop down to 338, possibly sweep all of these lows, possibly give a rejection and then go lower. But I am long at 338. I am long at 338. If Warsh isn't gonna speak up until then. Hey, perfect, perfect. I mean, price is looking rather nice. We did continue higher after the live stream, which is, I mean, hey, you know, we'll get them next time too. Okay. Yeah, that that's all I have. Possibly the 787. The 787 level is that 50%. Profit on the funded next channel. It's halfway, Deji. Yo! Hell yeah, brother. Oh, I love this monster. I love it. Okay, yeah. Let me just set up my copier and then we'll get started. Oh yeah, if you haven't noticed, this is a better camera because this is my iPhone. I noticed that the other one, the battery started buffing up, so I'm gonna have to replace that. And until then, we're gonna have a better camera. Okay, so the copier is all set up. Is it? Okay, perfect. That's on M and Q. Yeah, the copier is all set up. Let me just set up the ATMs for a possible trade. And that's about it, guys. I mean, hey. Okay. Look at this rejection, yo. Look at this. Pre-market open. Barry ate a kilo of potatoes. Hey, I ate half a kilo. My stomach is starting to hurt. I can't be eating that much food, but I have to because of the calories. Like, What are we looking for as per bias? Yo, Deji, I'm glad you asked. So for bias, I do have us trading higher. Well, not right now. If we were to trade higher, I am expecting us to trade from the MM. But overall, we do have this rounding 5 swings on the 50 minutes. So I do see a higher time frame retracement coming in. I did say this in the morning. But yeah, that's essentially what I'm looking for. Those equal highs, I'm looking for a retracement lower, right? That's all I'm looking for. But yeah, we could have another stab up and then trade lower. Let me see. Why not spread out calories? Yeah, I mean, I just don't have the time, man. Oh, yo, good evening, Benny. Welcome. Good morning. I'm back in the trench in Jackson Hole day. Think I'll spend the day doing some higher time frame. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's gonna be a rather difficult day, but yeah, perfect. Today is Kevin Warsh speaking. Oh yeah, and we do have Jackson Hole too. I don't even know. Wait, Wyoming is attended by central bankers, finance ministers, academic and financial markets around the world. These meetings are closed to the press, but officials usually talk with reporters throughout the day. Okay. So today, all day, we have Jackson Hole. Now I never really paid attention to that, but it's red folder, so. But we have Fed Chairman Warsh speaking at 4. That's 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in an hour and a half, is that not mitigated, or you got the mitigation marked? Wingson, what do you mean? Where are we? What's that? Like a really important question. What is that? You mean the MM? What is that and who is he? Read my message before that one. Wait. Please zoom into that bottom SNDR that you have marked. Yes. The bottom SNDR has no mitigation. Oh, yeah, yep. This one. So we do have market open right now, and we are trading lower. Let me see. Yeah, there is no mitigation here. Wing sign. The bottom one. Yo, I am expecting a higher time frame retracement here. But you know, it can always grab those highs and push lower then. Let's see how big this is. Oh, 30 points. Okay, not bad. Yeah, on the 1 minute, currently, there's this little that we could sweep and then trade higher. But I would really love to see lower prices here, since equal highs obviously run the lows. You know, it's just the narrative part of me wants lower price. I see the one you marked mitigated a zone right before it, hence why I asked. Yeah, okay, it is the mitigation. Yeah, you look, this is this SNDR mitigated the zone prior. Yeah, that's exactly it. Yeah. Ooh, look at his drop. So we do have news at 10 a.m. So just be careful, right? It's gonna be it's 8:30. Oh yeah, in 30 minutes. We do have news in 30 minutes. Not an hour and a half. What was I on? Oh my god. Did we sweep that Yo. So we did say, right, a small rejection might come out of here to go higher. But you see the accuracy of these right? That's why I place the actual price, you see, like this, on the zone itself, because that sweep itself can sometimes yield you that move going back into the range. Yo, guys, make sure to like the stream. Make sure to like the stream. Oh yeah, we're way off our zone down below. We're 200 points away. I don't think we're gonna get that in 30 minutes. After that, you know, it's gonna be a graveyard. A lot of people are gonna blow their accounts. A lot of people, yeah, you know. But I'm obviously not looking for an entry here. Because of this swing count on the higher time frame. Yeah, like, I mean, surely it can deliver. Yeah, I know. I'm not looking for an entry here. It's just, you know, part of the narrative. A narrative building stream. Today is an unscheduled stream, to be fair. We have an unscheduled stream. But overall, we swept this zone up above here. How many mitigations? Yeah, only 2. Okay. Yeah, tap that double bottom, sorry, double top, and then traded lower. Perfect. I think, like, my personal opinion about price, what it's doing right now, I think we're just gonna stay in this little tiny range until we have news. I could be proven wrong. But that's about it. I think that could happen. For example, yesterday, what did we do? We stayed in this little compact range, right? Nothing major. Just like the previous days, we had ranges up until some chaotic news event, like Nvidia. for example, Nvidia earnings, and then we had Nvidia earnings pushing price higher. And then we had whole of Asia delivering more than the whole New York did. Right? Asia delivered from, look, 230 points. And then what did New York do? Nothing. Jigsaw price action. Oh, we also have this. I completely got blinded. Yeah, from yesterday. You guys longed this, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we do have this zone here too. I'm a mark it as the long MM. But I do think we could get lower prices now. And it's gonna be one of those days again. Oh yeah, by the way, with the origins, you guys asked me about the origins. Of course, right? What an origin actually is. It's part of a protected high or protected low, right? Always from a protected high or protected low. And it's the last down move, like so. So, if we just look at this, right, we have a 15-minute closure just up above. A 15-minute one. That makes that low a protected low. And with that, right, that's the last down move. We could see price rejecting from the 50%. I got a question in the Discord, that's why I'm explaining. And we always choose these zones when they are a part of a higher time frame low or a part of a higher time frame protected high. Always from a protected high. Remember that, right? That way your win rate is gonna be much clearer. For example, look, this right here was the last up move, but it was not part of a protected high. This is not a protected high since it did not put in a new low, right? That's not a protected high, so that's why this zone wouldn't have been a good zone to trade from. Well, goddamn. We're just gonna have to wait for news, I guess. OG Origin, you just have to wait for 4 World Cups per trade. Yeah, no, it's I mean, they're always being created. As the trend is being created, the origins are as well, right? You see this one right here? Yeah, not always are they gonna have a full week of this. Yeah, I mean, full week of just nothing. But yeah, the origins are being created as the trend progresses, right? And you can scalp these little zones. For example, to the left, if we just look, like if there was an up move right here, you could have just placed the limit here and just waited. You can have all of these limits set, right? Even this zone, right? This zone. We talked about this zone. I wanted to short it, but you know, we had Nvidia earnings, and you know, generally not a good place to short from. The world was simpler. The reserve currency was just gold. Yup, it was. Currently rejecting from that little sweep to the left. Higher time frame origins hold better than lower time frame. That's why, exactly. And I always go for higher time frame. You know, the origins are part of a higher time frame high or higher time frame low. But goddamn, this entry did deliver. It did deliver. Now the entire. I mean, that's essentially what it's doing, right? This low range, it doesn't want to break out of it because the market is uncertain of what's happening, right? We have Kevin Warsh with the interest rates, obviously, right? Plus news around time prices near your limit. Oh, I don't know if But yeah, you do get these entries. Like they do happen quite often. But if you have, obviously, if you have Nvidia earnings, you're not gonna trade against it, right? Because you can get cooked so badly, so badly. Imagine market opening up and it just gapping straight up. Your stop loss? What stop loss? What stop loss? So I expect a rejection at 737. Yeah, against the trend, it really depends on what are you looking at, because if you were looking at the 15-minute, right, this was obviously not against the trend. Yeah, against lower time frame trends, yeah. This was obviously coming down, but currently the higher time frame was still bullish, right? We didn't have a break of structure to go to the downside, and the market was still pushing higher, like it is right now. We have still yet to break the protected low. This is the protected low, and we have still yet to break it. And if this does sweep that high, this would be the 6th swing. We'll look for your 15-minute closure up above. But yeah, I said, right, a little push up can happen, and if it does happen, these are the levels that I expect rejections from. So 787 is the 50%, which is probably what it's looking for. 737 is the 50 of the MM to the left. Anything else? No. Perfect. Now just wait and see. We got 18 minutes left till the news are delivered. We have Chicago PMI. Okay. I mean, yeah, we're depending on one guy. Yeah, the whole markets are depending on one guy, because that one guy is sharing that crucial information about interest rates. And that's really important when it comes to the economy. I mean, yeah, the markets are the economy, right? Let me see GCO. I haven't looked at GC in a while. Hey, perfect. Look at this MM. Bang on, bang on. What about YM? YM should be pushing higher, no? Oh, YM is still in that 1 minute. Yo, look at this. It's more important when he's appointed by Trump. Yeah, true that as well, yeah. ES still pushing higher. We did say that we could see ES go higher, possibly into that 50. What about BTC? BTC is at 80,000. 80,000. God damn. Now this has to drop. Again, tapping the MM, the market making himself. Yeah, like right now, he is the market maker. Trump is the market maker. Each word that comes out of his mouth does reflect in the markets. So this could deliver that one-to-one, but I am looking for a little bit higher, possibly the sweep of the high. Yeah, sad but true. Yeah, I know. Evil world we live in. An evil world. So 15 minutes left. I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna take anything dumb. But yeah, obviously the market is in a range now. Rejecting from the highs, rejecting from the lows, creating that rounding. I'm interested to see what actually is gonna go on with him speaking. My motto: do not take anything dumb. Exactly. Don't take anything dumb. Don't take dumb trades. Maybe on evals, maybe like on accounts that you're okay taking a loss on, yeah. But don't take anything dumb. So with the current state of the market, yeah, I consider everything dumb. This didn't tap this origin though. Of course, please don't have limits here. We have news in 13 minutes, so please, for the love of God, at 558, if you have a limit there, it might deliver, it might from the fifth swing, but for the love of God, right? Save yourself the misery of getting slipped. Related stories. What will Kevin Warsh say? So the worst possible outcome is that he comes off as dovish, if that's the correct pronunciation. Market will again jump into credibility crisis bandwagon and drive long-term yields up. Ooh, that wouldn't be good. Okay. I mean, we know that the whole state of the economy in the US is on the verge of collapsing. Like, even if it doesn't seem like it, that's exactly what's happening. Like, we aren't that far off of just the US collapsing. $40 trillion of debt, guys, 40 trillion. And you know, with Japan, the biggest holder of that debt, now collapsing as well, possibly. Hey, guys, needs to wait for Trump midterm to be done first. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm interested. I'm interested to see what's gonna go down then. Yeah. If this does come up above here, you have an SNDR on the 6th swing. Possibly no closure too, but cracks are showing. Yeah. They can always devalue their dollar. Yeah, but that's not in their interest. Yeah, just print more money. Just turn on the money printing machine. Yeah, that will fix it. Over 30% down in the past 6 years. Really, DXY? Well, yep. I mean, no, that's yep. The more you zoom out, the more you see. But yeah, we in DXY we are in that 50, and we have been for quite a while, and we did flip. It does seem a little strong, but yeah, I don't know, it could come up to here and then go down, because we do have that previous swing there as well. Did we sweep NQ highs? Did we sweep NQ highs, guys? They print more money, also devaluing the dollar. I mean, yeah, they're devaluing it by printing more. We could have another crisis on our hands. We could. But I am no economist. I am no economist. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Even the market doesn't know what to do. Rejecting from the highs. But this is the perfect environment for the range traders, right? Longs at the bottom, shorts at the top, right? You can just place buy limits and you're good to go. Bang on. Bang on. Buy and sell limits, basically. I mean, that's how you trade the range. You trade the range by, you know, noticing where your high and low are, and then see, okay, am I actually in a range? Am I actually in a range? Okay, we are. We are rejecting at the highs and we are rejecting at the lows. So you could essentially draw a zone like an MM here, for example, and trade it with more conviction. A range isn't tough to spot. Like, you guys think that this is some miracle. No, it's just, you know, you have your, it's the inverse swing, you see? We have this swing, but what am I looking at for a range is that current high and the previous low, the protected low. And I'm just looking, okay, are we rejecting at the highs and are we rejecting at the lows? That's how you spot a range. Bang. A little sauce, a little sprinkle of spice. So we have news in 8 minutes. 8 minutes left. You guys prepared? Oh, this is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be interesting. My lord, can't wait for the movie to start. It's exactly that. It's like waiting for a movie to start. Yeah, please don't have any limits, please. And this is gonna be like, if he's speaking, right? It's not gonna be immediate. It's not gonna be, okay, 10 a.m. Oh, sorry, 9 a.m. in New York. Boom. It just goes down like that. It's gonna be him starting to speak, you know, welcome ladies and gentlemen, and then it all goes to shit. So yeah, it's not like any other news event, just so you know. He just starts the speech at... Last time I traded it, 10 a.m. passed, 10:40 randomly spy candle stopping me out. You traded this? Yo! Got him! Wait, New York. Okay. I was on the wrong time zone. Oh my god. But yeah, at 10 a.m. I was wondering. The results will be printed instantly, no? But nowadays, apparently, they trade on his stance in the future outlook. Yeah, more than the actual numbers. Yeah, exactly. It's just funny. It's just funny. They just yap entire day if they happen to say something weird. The market spikes. Yeah, if he comes off, what's the term? Dovish, and the other term is, oh, I forgot. Yeah, there's like these two. The way. Hold on. Yeah, hawkish. Yeah. Oh, Sasha, welcome. Yeah, I'm not good with words. You gotta excuse me, man. This was a beautiful trade, though. I waited the entire day for that, and then it just traded higher, and I was like, okay. And then it traded lower. Okay, let me just put my limits there again. Okay, but no. But it did reject from previous structure, right? The 50, the 50. Sasha River. from the river. Yo, don't take this personally. We always joke around. We always joke around. Yo, 4.5 minutes left. Let me see what Euro USD is doing. 1.16. Okay. I'm just looking at the conversions. Oh, silver. Yeah, silver. Ooh, I saw you guys marked out an MM. Whoa, where is that MM? Okay. First of all, this is not an MM. So yeah, that 50 that you're expecting from that trade is from the origin, and with the origin we are not expecting any. Well, it is still, we expect a rejection from the 50, but with a, yeah, that's not an MM. Yeah, but it is a POI, right? And we are expecting a potential trade away from here. look at the hourly candle. When's the last time you saw this? An hourly candle like that. Bum, 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 bum. On market open. Two inverted M's. What does MM mean exactly? Multiple mitigation. That's what it means. A zone with multiple mitigations. Isn't it beautiful? Right? Because it has multiple mitigations, right? 3 or more. So, M&M. Interesting naming though. Interesting naming. And these MMs do act like support and resistance. It's not support and resistance, but they do act like it, yeah. Just to have a better understanding. And after that support is broken, or resistance, yeah, we expect a retest. Or a trade back in, or whatever you want to call it, right? Whatever you want to call it. Hey guys, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh, we have prelim. Oh, I didn't even notice. It's tucked away. We have prelim benchmark payrolls revision. Okay. Oh, is the NFP next week? Oh, yeah, look at this. We have NFP next week. I didn't even notice. We could do an NFP stream. Hey, that'd be crazy. Oh, and we have a bank holiday on September the 7th. Okay. One minute popcorn ready. So yeah, 1 minute. All the taps are support and resistance, and then when it's swept, they're all just liquidity sweeps of all stacked highs. Yeah, I mean, you could say liquidity sweeps or just sweeps in general, right? Ooh, a 1 minute candle that gapped up. You don't see that often. You don't see that often. For a point though, for a point. They're all trying to predict what's gonna happen. All of them. The institutions are going crazy right now, believe me. But yeah, that's how the market moves. Damn right. Just so you're not confused, there's gonna be a move right now, which is not the actual Kevin Worth speaking. It's prelim. Probably gonna sweep the highs in my opinion. But yeah, I would love to see this just dump. So we have prelim at minus 79k. Okay, cool. 1001 full point. Yeah, after the sweep of those highs, just full point. Not financial advice, guys. Hello, not financial advice. That'd be nice though. A sweep of the highs and then a trade lower. Ooh. But yeah, if the news are gonna be bearish, all of this is gonna get swept. All of that. I'm certain. Otherwise, yeah, that 50 though, that 50 at 787 does look kind of nice. Is there like a live stream that we could watch? Kevin Worth speaking, like in real time. Is that something that we could do? Source: Federal Reserve. We have an FOMC conference for July the 29th. Press release. Speeches. Okay, Chairman Warsh. 28th. Why are we wicking left and right now? Because the institutions are prepping their positions. Are you planning on taking shorts at 737? Hey, don't blink. It's kind of like the most volatile time of the market right now. No, not right now. Are you expecting more so MM gets swept after so many taps? I do see the MM getting swept, but there could still be a rejection here. That's why I haven't marked. 40 rounds. Hey Russ, thank you for the link. Hey, appreciate it. There should be, because he's sitting in a hot seat taking questions and stuff. Oh, okay. No, I'm just saying, narrative wise, not like right now. Yeah, okay, narrative wise, I definitely would. Narrative wise, there could be a rejection here. Yeah, definitely. But again, if there was no news here, I would have probably taken a short at 737. Okay, if there was no news. But if when there is, like, my hands are tied, guys. That's like one of the only rules. Don't trade news. But yeah, I do see that 738. Well, not their 738. The 338. If it goes down. Oh, it's on YouTube. Yo. What are they saying? Oh, he's still speaking.
It's a widely held view that an excess of capital.
Look at the chat. Look at the Nvidia, short. Nvidia, dovish, short. Full of gamblers, man. Full of gamblers. You bet the people in that chat, at least 50% of them have 0 DTE puts right now. I think I'm gonna get copyright strike. I don't think I can play it live on stream. They try to trigger the algos. Yo, vegan, yeah. Don't take dumb trades. But you bet that they are holding a shit ton of positions right now. Like, you know how many shorts are up here and longs? So many investors are gonna get cooked, and so many are gonna get paid. But yeah, I just in terms of the market structure, the structure is telling us that we might be short. Yeah, even on the daily. MH tweet a new model. Yeah. The August won't take the YouTube comments, sadly. Yeah, sadly, yeah. But they're prepping it, right? They're prepping it. Dovish. Bro. What are these people, man? What are these people? I'm full of gamblers. How many of them are watching right now? 14,000. Tokens means bullish. I mean, I guess. I'm just reading the chat right now. Gold is shitting the bed. Let's check gold. Oh yeah, gold is indeed shitting the bed. 70 points. But we said, right, on NQ that we are bearish. So that's all that matters. If it does come down to 338, I'll probably long. But I'm waiting patiently. Because I don't want to, you know, be part of... I'm not going to place a limit up until the very last second. Because I don't want to be part of that kadoink, you know? Or that kadoink in the other direction. They're full for shorting and then Googling rate hikes a trillion times to get Google Trends. Yeah. That's smart, though. That's fucking smart. Somebody said no. Somebody said rib Joe Rogan. What is Nvidia doing? It's shitting the bed too. We could see a rejection off of that a possible sweep and a trade back into the range and go lower. Binance busy doing math like Epstein on paper. Rest in peace. I might do more of these unscheduled streams. Bro said Epstein. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. Einstein. Yo, guys, forgive me. Forgive me. Einstein. Nah. Yo, nah, that shit genuinely has me dying. Oh my god. Epstein. Where did I get that from? It clearly says Einstein. I have, you know, the chat on a vertical monitor. And, you know, the visibility isn't the best. You just Nadine my post, bro. Now you know why you won't release the files. Hey, at 1,000 subs, 24 away, we're releasing all of the files on record. Oh, look at this, just slowly making its way down. Oh. I want to see the volume. Let me see. Do I have the volume indicator? It's not much. Oh, we have another sweep. So this is the second sweep, right? Of that MM. Use the volume profile. Yo, let's cancel. Let's cancel him. This looks so prime to short. Bench, what do you think of silver? Yeah, we did talk about silver shorting. Yo, hey, guys, just a few minutes ago, we talked about that origin delivering. Did we not? Did we not? Hey. Absolute fucking cinema. Absolute cinema. You see, we said, yo, maybe a rejection could come here. And then bam. It's not an MM though, Deji, it's not an MM. But yeah, we did talk about this origin delivering, and we do have, what is this? We have nothing here. Oh my god. But yeah, isn't that beautiful? What about GC? GC, oh, it's shitting the bed as, okay, yeah, as we already know. Thank you. And another rejection from the MM. Claimed another victim. Oh no, that's the big one. Okay. Yeah, I'm seriously looking for that zone down below. I'll probably place a limit down there once we do get down. Like at the very last second though. If it's not gonna be like an extreme move, you know, just in one direction, consider me long there. Consider me of the counter trend long there. The protected high, just down below. But I definitely do see a higher time for retracement for me here. What is this? 500 points? Yeah, okay. I do definitely see price coming to 238. That's why I have this level. Okay. And this level here, the 262 is the 50 of that second swing. So you could see both that 338, 262, and 238 delivering. Even more people are typing in the chat. Chroma, Trump loses election. Trump loses election. Selling gold on Hyperliquid. Isn't Hyperliquid that platform when you can full port the shit out of your money? Like there's like extreme leverage. Hyperliquid. Let's see. I think it is, right? So yeah, we could see a rejection coming off of that MM. That 50. What's that? 556. And delivered. Hey, it took like 5 seconds. Goddamn. It did deliver though to 556. Goddamn. I mean, I know I make it sound so casual, but like, you know, it was the fourth tap. What do we say about the fourth tap? That 50. Bang. I mean, need I say more? Need I just backtest this, please? Like, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. You want to become profitable? Don't buy Dave's crash course. Trade this instead. The price drop. The price drop on that boot camp. I was like, okay, is it really worth that much money? Is it really worth that much money? And even if so, like, I don't know. Wait, really? What do you mean? This is better than the boot camp. This is literally what you get. You see the MMs here? All of that's thought in that. I thought you meant he reduced. Nah. He's probably not gonna do that, and you know that. You know that. Yeah, when the price dropped, you know, when the post was dropped, I was like, okay, interesting. Yeah, nah, I don't know. I'm not a marketer. Continues to market. Continues to do everything. Not how much was it? How much is it? I think you can sign up right now. The DTFX Sharksman, yo. Himalaya, yo. Oh, silver, god damn. Yo, Imola. The long that you have there is already mitigated. Well, the zone has been mitigated. If you're going for that wait, are you trading? That's what silver is that? Is that SI? Yeah, it is silver futures. It's micros. Okay. But yeah, we do have that post in general. We don't know we. Oh yeah, we do. Okay, perfect. I'll show it on stream. Yeah. Okay. I mean, you can clearly see $5.99, $9.99, and the one-on-one, which is probably $4,000. Bang for the buck. What can I say? Sign up before it's too late. He said limited spot. Wait, really? I'm not trying to make fun of it, like, you know, to each their own, but to claim that you aren't a marketer and do this. Anyways, enough said. Let me see on MNQ. Did we end up sweeping? MNQ probably did sweep it because of MNQ, right? Nope, MNQ didn't sweep it. So this is still mitigating that MM. So after it, right? After we delivered that one-to-one, we came in again and then delivered again. He just fainted. I don't think she did, no. I don't think she's even here. But yeah, hey, MM's, look, we come in here and call this shit live. The classic limited spots, yeah, emotionally, yeah, you know, as if you were to sell a mentorship, you would obviously, you know, say limited spots available because of human emotions. Did we sweep the low? We did. Okay, perfect. That low is a protected low, and we did sweep it. But what we didn't do, we didn't put a body closure down below it, right? So all of this is weak now, right? Weak highs. Didn't put in any new lows, but this could still go lower. Of course, where we're rejecting out of the beloved MM, the beloved MM. But look at the move coming out of here. Yeah, okay, it almost stopped you out. But look at the move. It didn't stop you out. Can you show where you drew the green MM from? Yeah, which time frame? M1. You know the zone that you guys were taking as the SNDR yesterday? I know one of you took it in the live executions for a fact. It was Imola. Yeah, it was Imola. He took it as a 15-minute previous swing, probably an SNDR, I think. Yeah. He took it. No, it wasn't. My bad. It wasn't Imola. I'm sorry. I take it back. I know one of you did. Take this. Didn't, like, am I tweaking right now? Well, nobody took it, but yeah, this was essentially the SNDR on the lower time frame. I could swear I saw somebody had this zone marked out. Well, I guess not. But yeah, we are rejecting from this MM currently, trading higher. Like, I swear I saw this. I might tweaking. I might be tweaking, bro. I was thinking about it, but thinking about it doesn't pay the bills. Exactly. Yeah, I was looking at both challenges right now and I can't seem to find it. But this wicking the higher time frame low could mean that we come for the highs. I was really hoping for price to go lower, but hope does not pay the bills. So I'll just wait. But I'm definitely long at 338, guys. I'm logging 338. So after the sweep, if you do come down again, I do see a rejection coming back in. Where from, Ziga? Good question. Good question. No reliable POI to the left. I'm gonna just say that. No reliable POI, so I'm just gonna skip this. Lovely how we're just playing a range. You know when I said just place limits? This is it. This is it. Oh, live executions. I got a tag. Oh, it was Delvey. Hey, look. Yeah, perfect. I thought I was tweaking for a second. But yeah, that's the 2-hour trade. Yeah, that was... Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. So 1.5 hour did deliver from here. Well, more. All coming to 4. But you see how these SNDRs do turn MMs? Like most of the times the SNDR. Remember what I've been saying the entire week that the Americans keep doing every session? Yeah, going for the open and then going higher. Yeah. I realized that there is a common pattern with the market open in the last week. Going back to the open, like, and then trading out of it. Of course, trading out of it. This one account has 500 DD left. I'm manifesting an A+ setups to 2 mini that big. Maybe 2. Maybe 1, 2 is crazy. Yo, 2 minis on 500 DD, bro. You gotta catch the top. You gotta catch the top for that shit. It's like all the institutions went on vacation and plays A3 line alcohol. Yeah, that it does seem that way. Like look at this. Isn't it a common theme? It went to the end. It's not end walk. It's end dog. End dog. I saw a reel. I got educated. New day opening gap. New week opening gap. I'm almost an ICT trader now. Almost an ICT trader. I didn't even know what they stand for, the N-Dog and N-Wog. I'm gonna be honest. Had no idea. Oh yeah, Delvey. Delvey just gonna see a tag. No idea what's happening. N-Wog, N-Dog, N-Wop. N-Dog. Yeah. Hey, perfect. Thumbs up. I thumbs up that comment. Yep. Yep. Hey, whatever makes you sleep better at night. Right? Whatever makes you sleep better. Is Kevin Ware still speaking? He is, right?
I believe the labor market is broadly consistent with full employment.
Labor market. Cool. Yeah, so far so good. Nothing's happening. I think what we'll get is a giant move in one of each direction. So to the downside, to the upside, we don't know. We can speculate based on the market structure that it's bearish, but I think that's what's gonna happen. Like, we're gonna have an aggressive move when we finally reach a conclusion about the speech. Hey, yo, I don't know how many likes we have right now, but if we have less than 10, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be... We have 11. You guys are safe. You guys are safe. Hey, almost ended the stream here. So, you know. I almost got you. I almost got you. So by hour 2, we need 20. Likes, please. Hey, but like it boosts the live stream. It boosts the live stream in the algo, so more people get to see it, right? Hey, Nightbot, I'm tweaking right now. Stop. You know what? You know what I need right now? I need someone to ask me if I had an entry. That's the only thing that makes this whole week perfect. My cost $1.5. Hey, nothing against Indians, but they do sell them cheap. You can get watch hours, you can get everything. Literally everything. From views to subs to everything. Yeah. Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil. But no, I have not, and I'm going slightly crazy. But might have one today. We might have one today. Got an entry. Yeah, no, I'm definitely long in 337, 338. Fou pour that. Just risk the entire PAs, the entirety of all my accounts. Bench slogan next to it this week. Strong SNDR there. Yeah, I know. Thanks for the financial advice to me at 337. 337, yo, that's quite a while. I mean, you're going for 337? You know, you're gonna wait for quite some time to get to 337. But let me mark it out for you. Here you go. That's quite a big gap. Hey, I wish you the best, though. I wish you the best. You know? Wait, 337. Hey, here you go. Can't wait for Rob's land. Yeah, I can't wait for that SNDR to deliver. to deliver this straight to SL, and I can sue them, man. They've said in the next years, NQ will enter bearish market and will remain there for 10 years. That's quite a statement. That's quite a statement. We need... Or he'll go crazy. In the backtesting session, yeah. I'm still working on the video, on the first video. I don't know how Dave just pumped out 4 or 5. But damn, is it taking a long time. It's like a 1 hour long video. Imagine waiting for that level just to get a 1-to-1. Imagine waiting for 300, like the 300 level just to get a 1-to-1. Yeah, that would be crazy. But yeah, the 737. I'm looking at a possible short, because yeah, that high is gonna be swept. It's gonna be the 6th swing, and you could see a possible rejection going lower. Hey, Kevin's still speaking. Kevin's still going. Go, Kevin. Yeah, probably by the in an hour or so we'll know what's going on. You got this, Kev. Hey, we're all rooting for you. We're on the greatest bull market ever, and it won't be there forever, and the next drop will be longer. Dave is right, but picking a top is hard. Yeah, I mean, that's where we just trade what we see and what the currently is printing. We're not trying to, you know, sell the top. Obviously not. And yeah, it is true. We are in the longest bull market and the biggest. And I think, yeah, once the the AI bubble bursts, it's gonna be one heck of a time. It's gonna be one heck of a drop and one heck of a time. Because all of these companies that are currently in the top percents, if AI suddenly goes to shit, by some miracle, if AI suddenly goes to shit, all of these companies are going bankrupt. They're in so much debt right now that it's crazy. They're not even making money. Like, okay, Nvidia with the graphics card, but that's the only thing that actually supports Nvidia currently, because the AI is not making money. AI is not making money. Yeah, the chips are making money, but the AI isn't. The models. It's not gonna go to shit. The idea is there, but if China is there first, then yeah, we're doomed. Yeah, but the problem is, if the AI companies don't start making money, and they just have these loans, how are they gonna pay them? They're not, right? They're gonna go bankrupt. Like Anthropic, what is it? The GPT, what is it? I forgot. All of these companies have such huge loans in the billions, and it costs more to run these AI models, especially with electricity, the growing demand. Spending, it's hilarious. $1 trillion. 1 trillion. Private equity, yeah. Private credit equity, yeah. Ding, 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 ding. And then you realize you're nothing but a sheep. No, it's state-sponsored robbery. Yeah. But especially like electricity, semiconductors, everything's going up. The chips, everything is going up, the prices. And money, where's the money gonna come from? Oh, poor Americans, do you not think that Europe and China, you know, is in the same place? I mean, probably not in such a situation, but yeah, I think it is in the same place. Soon the Indians red cause, there's Americans take cause. The only cause the Americans are gonna get is margin. Ding 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 ding. Yo, margin on the phone. Yo. Yeah. We're gonna close out those positions. Yeah, those positions, yeah, they're just dust now. But hey, at least the market is respecting the structure. Oh, interesting. Look at this now. If this comes up above that high, the Thursday high, if it does come up above, you know what that means? That's the fifth swing on the higher time frame. And it does belong to the higher time frame as well. So this swing just inside, not part of structure now. This one. And if it does come up above, this would be the previous swing. The fifth one. But obviously I do expect a rejection up here. Yo, Crystal! Hey, look at you, man. That's the 15-minute wick, right? Hey, perfect. I've seen you backtest those. I've seen you backtest those. Looks to me like yesterday, deja vu. Every single day is the same now. I'm starting to believe that this is an algo. It's insane that 3-line algo is burning. Being an American is the most fortunate citizenship in human history. They created the dollar to create liquidity for them, and the whole world is paying their debt. Yeah. Now, Benny, that's such an interesting point that you have. And such an interesting view, because it is true. It's exactly that. Japan, Europe, everyone. And they have the balls to, I mean, look. Being an American is good. But what the president is doing, yeah, let me just go invade Iran. Let me just take the Hormuz Strait for myself. And all of the wars that they had in the Middle East, all because of oil. This is what they're saying about the stable coin, by the way. They will offload a lot of that debt to everyone else in the world. Now it's currently backed by, the currency is backed by gold. And once the currency, I mean, the currency is still going to be backed by gold if I'm not mistaken. It's just that we're going to be moving into stable coins. We do have that initiative in Europe as well, with the euro. And I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I mean, stable coins are, I mean, I guess they're good for the market, I guess. But it kind of defeats the purpose of, you know, tax evading. Like, let me just, can I just not pay? Like, come on, bro. I don't want to pay that shit. Come on. Wait, OnlyFans. We're buying bonds so they can pay their mortgages and pay OnlyFans. Almost $10 million a year. It's never happened in the history. They're basically giving access everyone a phone and internet to their currency, which increases the demand and lowers the burden of them printing money and having way too much in circulation. Exactly. Currency is not backed by gold, though, by faith. by the Lord Jesus himself. I mean, yeah, it is backed by gold, but it's ran by some dumbass people, if we're being real. It's people's faith that the US government will pay. It won't. Like, the debts are increasing year over year. And not by a small margin. It's by trillions of dollars. And it's climbing exponentially. I thought the US currency was backed by gold. The US currency backing. It's a fiat and it's not backed by gold. Okay, it's a fiat currency. Cool. Oh, it's back. Oh, it's by bonds, right? Government decree, institutional trust, value. Okay. Okay, yeah, but okay, now I see. A quick Google search cleared it up. Oh, okay. I might be a little dumb. Backed by nothing. Yeah, Jeff. Exactly. Backed by nothing. Yeah, it is backed by faith. The US can see all their gold tomorrow. And their currency won't be affected if anything between means. And so gold and retain dollar. It's the faith that America will deliver. America! That America will pay all of its debts. Nah. You know how we said these highs are weak highs? Remember that. Remember. Whenever we wick a low, the high is probably gonna go. And that's a common thing. Wait. Didn't we wick a low here and then go? I mean, deja vu. Deja vu. Now I need a 300 point drop. It's all wicks. Yeah, it is. It is. No one knows this week. No one knows. But it is a perfect rounding occurring. Even Buffett might be confused. I think Buffett did sell a lot of his positions. Let me check. Buffett portfolio. He's holding Apple. Didn't he sell Apple? Yeah, I think he sold Apple. I saw that in the news. Is that how he retired? yeah, he retired from his hedge fund, which is crazy. It's 130. Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway? Yeah, I don't know. It's doing good though. At 500, yo. It's doing as well as it, I mean, as it can. I do see a good long there. I do see a good long at this low. 429. Load on Berkshire. That is. Yep. Yeah, 737. Looks like we're gonna be tapping that today. So if you do see a potential closure up above that line, which is 708, if you do see a closure, that means that low is a protected low. No. We'll get it. We'll get it next year. Next year. Maybe the next quarter. Yeah, next quarter. So 737 a possible reject. By Boeing. 737 and 787. Yeah, I was thinking about that, yeah. Next election. Nah, but don't think that this week isn't hard for me too. Like, not having an entry is hard. But at least I'm gonna end the whole month net positive if it does continue that way. Coincidence or calculated product push? Who am I selling to? Who am I selling to? Are you guys gonna buy a jet? Are you interested in a 737? Yo, but like, it can carry up to 150 people at a time. Huge luggage space. 2,000 miles of range. Can go to Dubai and back in just 2 hours. CFDs. tapped. Yo, CFDs. I don't really pay attention to CFDs that much, to be honest, because it's all. Yeah, I see. Tap the 50 multiple times. Hey yo. Yeah, the CFD. Yo. And it delivered. Look at this, bro. Just pushing commercial. Just. That's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying. Because CFDs are not an accurate representation of what Nasdaq actually is. The Nasdaq futures are the most accurate, other than NDX. But NDX, obviously, you know, good luck trading NDX. But in terms of movement, we have NQ, and that's the most accurate out of all. Yo, the push. Now we're starting to move. Perfect. Just wait for this zone to be completely obliterated. Looks like some people yeah, CFD, it's QQQ. Yeah, QQQ, we have isn't that the options contract? Yeah, do we have an MM here on options? Ooh, we do have an MM here. Look, on options. Well, on QQQ. After that sweep, I am expecting a rejection lower on the option. 757 on NQ. Hey, we waited so long for this that it might as well deliver now. I don't have an entry here, but yeah. The 787 is the ultimate level that we are pushing up towards. And I can say that with confidence. I would... Wait, oh, on a nano, how much would... I'm actually gonna check. On a nano, how much would that position cost you? Oh. Oh. So 787. And where's the high? 1000 ticks. So 600 ticks. Could probably play that on a nano. But let me see, where do we have the open? 757 daily gap open on NQ. 757. Oh, it's that high. Okay. Okay. But nah, you don't know what the power of the MM is. Nah, I'm kidding though. But definitely could see a rejection here, right? That 1-to-1. With all of these stabs, obviously the MM is weak. Still could deliver. If not, you have the sweep, right? The hourly. Yeah, or the 15-minute. Yeah, the 15-minute would suit you better, probably. The 15-minute or the hourly, if it doesn't deliver. And you can... worst case scenario on an MM trade, right? You have the 50 and you have the sweep. So worst case scenario, you take a trade going a 1-to-1 here, and you take a sweep going lower, right? Let's say both of them don't deliver. Worst case scenario, you're down to R. Best case scenario, you take 1 R on that zone and 1.5 R on the sweep. So best case scenario is 2.5 R. And given your win rate on both of these entries, you can do the maths. You can do the maths. Yeah, would really love to see another swing lower, honestly. But they had 2 swings on the M1 pushing higher. You know how I'm watching these markets while having an entry at 337? I'm looking at 337 right now, and I see price at 744. uh, 'So Warsh hasn't said anything significant just yet. Because if he did, we would have been all over the place right now. Warsh. What is the big man saying right now? Oh, still speaking. Hey. Move your money to gold. Move your money to gold. Okay. Sell gold. Hold. Crypto is about to go up. Let's go. Lower rates. Yup. US is a sky the mining. Perfect. Perfect. $230 points from that MM alone. It's gonna be one of those MM to MM moments. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. But it is pushing really hard in terms of just, you know, the pace. Like the pace of how it's pushing hard. Well, higher, not hard, please don't take it the wrong way. We have 1-2 swings, only 2 swings on the lower time frame. You could have entered here anticipating that third one, and it can still happen. It can still happen. But that high is looking rather tasty though. Oh, the hourly picked up. The hourly candle picked up. BTC. So Bitcoin isn't doing it then, okay. What does a man have to do to get an entry in this economy? Currently 400 points away. I am expecting a huge drop from that 787 level though. What a crawl. Yup. Yup. If you're in this entry, I'm not saying that you are, I would look for a BE point if it does give you some profit, to secure at least that risk-free. Because this is just hella bullish right now. Or you could choose to trust the entry, or don't listen to me at all. I'm gonna just go on silver real quick. Where do we have that entry? Down below. Somewhere. Oh, it was silver, Sil. Yeah, it was Sil. Oh, interesting. I don't even see the entry. Is it the hourly? No, okay. Well, NQ is still pushing higher. It's like they're sneaking to that area, yeah. I'm just waiting for them to sweep it, that's all. Yeah, so we're gonna be raising interest rates. That's exactly what's gonna happen. I don't expect the markets to go much higher from here though. Like the 787, yeah. Oh look, we have that SNDR up above. Imagine it gets to there first. But yeah, that's gonna stay in my bank for quite a while now. But with that looks like it is gonna sweep it. Looks like it. Sadly. $770. I'm shorting 29,800s. I mean, looks like a good place to short from, honestly. A higher time frame one, right? To begin. Higher time frame short. Oh, this is a swing trade, isn't it? You could short it on NNQ. On NNQ, the nano contract, I think it will work. What is it, like 1,000 points? No, it's 500 points. It's easy. That can be done on 1 micro. It's just gonna cost you like 500 bucks. I'm just looking at the liquidity on the book. Oh, you have the, you have those bubbles. You're trading the bubbles. Oh, look, a giant red bubble. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Isn't it the bubbles? It's the heat map, right? Of course it is. I posted on Discord. Type to shorts, giant red bubble. Yo, it's the bubbles. Oh, I see. Okay, we have the red line there. Goddamn. And we have officially entered no man's land. Hey, GG's. If you took that MM trade, losses happen. Losses do happen. Unfortunately, I'm not right 100% of the time. But with 787 level, I'm expecting this to drop. Not right here, but you know, it can create some rounding and then shit the bed. Of course, I'm looking for 500 points here. That's literally what I'm looking for. Possibly 1,000. What's the chat saying? All going to zero against Bitcoin. Buy, buy, buy. Everybody's saying buy. So you know how a 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes prior, they were all saying sell, sell, sell. Oh, by the way, guys, is Trump gonna lose the midterms? Don't blink. Did you short 737? Korean people. Wait, 8/24/28? Wait, I'm confused. 8/24/28. What does that mean? 2028? The 24th of August 2028? Yo, are you predicting your own demise? Your own doom? Or am I reading that incorrectly? Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about this short. Yeah, losses do happen, yeah. But a good 15-minute short should come out of here. The eval lasted 4 days? Oh shit. Oh, it's 24 to 28. Hey, you gotta look at your risk management, don't blink. We gotta go over that. We gotta talk about it, man. We gotta. We gotta talk about the risk management. How much did you risk per trade? It's good if it's a top step one because you know you get a free reset. I'm American. Okay. I'm American. then everything you say it's forgiven. It's forgiven. So what if the email lasted 4 days? So what? But nah, if we were being real, we gotta talk about the risk management. Start using the calculator, especially if you're on futures. Start using the calculator. So on zones like this, 200 ticks, you start risking accordingly. Hey, I was short today. I was wrong. You know. But on the 1 minute, we still have yet to create 3 swings. This is now the 5th swing, just down below, with a possible fractal as an SNDR on the 5th swing. Okay, so another 15-minute candle just opened up. It's 10 a.m. Nightbot telling me to follow my rules like I ain't following my rules. God damn. Cool. So Nasdaq currently just pushing higher. If you do see another bullish closure, you could possibly sell stop that candle. Nightbot, come into this room real quick. I got something to show you. You threatening my bot? Yo, it's gonna be that account violation notice. I got a green candle for you. I don't think he's talking about fighting. I don't know what you're planning to do with my bot. I don't know. I'm scared for him, honestly. Yeah, so if this doesn't close up above with a bullish candle, you could see a potential short, a higher time frame short lower. But it does have to come from to 225. Yeah, the hourly. Imagine shorting the hourly candle, 503, where your stop limit is. But yeah, the 50-minute, a possibly good sell stop into the back into the range. Could target lower, the lows, or the 1-to-1. That's just my personal got a big that's that term, isn't it that from Star Wars or something? Like, I don't know, I'm not a huge guy. Oh, I got a huge caffeine crash at the moment. Oh my god. Lord, it was my last ditch effort for that Levo anyways. I tried to pass it in a couple of days. Not 2 days, but maybe a week. I mean, yeah, I mean that explains it. You could risk like 300. I don't know what you were risking right now. Obviously, I don't. But you could risk 300 per trade. That's what I would do if I were you. Oh yeah, I got a huge caffeine crash. God damn. Holy shit. Because with 300, right, you're on the verge. You literally have to lose 8 trades. 7 or 8 trades. And you have to win 10. So you're not losing the account like instantly, but still you have a really nice buffer. Like 300 per trade on an eval is perfect, in my opinion. Even like on a PA, it would be really nice. So the reason why I have Nasdaq on the 15-minute is because it's still pushing higher and higher and higher. And I do want to see a 15-minute closure for a possible buy, well, sell stop lower. And what I said here, oh my god, what I said here was the rounding. God damn, kids, don't drink caffeine. I like how it's just a 15-minute candle straight through the zone. Straight through. God damn. Looks like for PAs I have a stricter DLL and trade limits. What's your opinion on trying to pass quick? Trying to pass quick with a high win rate. I risk somewhere from 300 to 500. If I really want to pass quick, it's 500. That means I have to win 6 trades. Right? But if I want to, you know, take my time, if there is no time limit on the account, I'm just going to risk 300, 250. Somewhere along those lines. Yeah. So on a 50k account, on a 150k, it's a little bit different since the maximum loss limit is a little bit different. Well, if we just take a look, the ratio, it's on one hand, it builds sus habits. On the other hand, time is money, and it's time you could be trading funded. Exactly. And I do think passing evals quickly is not a bad habit if it's done from a right mindset. If that's your mindset, then perfect. But if it's the mindset of I want to make money ASAP, it's gonna convert onto those PAs as well, and you're gonna want to risk more on the PAs. So if you have a weak mindset, please don't. But if you have a strong will and strong you know how to control yourself in those situations, then please try to pass them as quickly as possible. And on that note, I have to add, if you have money to blow evals, because you know the risk of ruin is a lot bigger when you start incorporating larger risk, the risk of you actually blowing the account is bigger. So you trying to, you know, pass it as quickly as possible could result in a higher number of evals blown. Yeah, it is a possible sweep. I'm looking for a short lower. This is tapping a higher time frame POI as well, so the only thing that I'm concerned about is the 1 minute not providing. I think it could give another push higher and then short. I did say I wanted to see a rounding here. Yo, we're getting that 337 right now. It is a higher time frame zone. And it is a possible sweep, yeah. You know, I had the best snack today. I had pineapple, and then after I got home, like it was ripe pineapple. And then when I got home, it was a Monster Energy drink with ice. With ice. Ooh, so good. Ayo, we don't have music anymore. What happened to music? Oh. But look at this sweep, man. Oh my god. The 787 level, guys. The 787 level is a higher time frame level that I'm expecting a 500 point short on. Building virgin cocktails in your stuff. Yo, but cocktails with energy drinks? That would be amazing. Like pineapple and and white monster. Oh my god. You're giving me ideas, Wingsane. Red Bull and vodka, I don't remember shit for the rest of the... Yo. Yeah, depends on who's mixing. Depends. You got people, like your friends. Think of this as the glass. This amount of vodka and this amount of Red Bull. Good luck. You're on your own. Like most of it, like 90% is just it's diluted vodka at the end of the day. I'm not a drinker, but I did go through that, yeah. Hey, we're coming for that 340. We're coming. Just wait. Just wait. Yo, so I'm gonna do this. So when is sell stop valid? A sell stop is valid when a POI when you're tapping a POI after the sweep of an MM. That's when it's valid. Let me just 183. Hey, perfect. Okay. This is MNQ. Currently trading lower. Okay. Oh no, it's 189. Okay, never mind. I have to redo 189, 189. 33850. And let's go to MNQ. We have a buy limit down here, guys. I'm gonna leave the it's almost a joke at this point, but I'm gonna leave this here for a possible sweep of these lows, and a tap here. I'm expecting a 1-to-1 from the zone. Oh look, this is the same MM zone from MNQ. Oh, interesting. Let's go back. Thank you. But we do have that that limit. But yeah, on the previous candle's high, sorry, the previous candle's low, the highest closing bullish candle you're looking at, right? For the sell stop. The validity, this is kind of it is a concept derived from Dave, but I did refine it myself too. So you're always looking at the highest closing bullish candle for a sell stop, and a lowest closing bearish candle as a buy stop. But it is 50-50 from Dave and from me. And this is the third swing that I was talking about on the M1. You see? You could see another push at the highs and then go lower. But again, we'll see. I would like a faster job. Yo, vegan. Me and you both. Me and you both. Oh, wait, you're short from 780. No, from 800. Yeah, from 800. Oh shit, yeah, that was the liquidity on the heat map. Hey. Oh yeah, my bad for that. Yeah, no. I'll just take that back. Yo, but hey, that's perfect. That's a good trade, no? Am I wrong to think that? What do you mean unlucky? It's a winner, no? Yo, B plus. Yo. Bro is cooking. B plus. Yo. That's plus 0.6%. Oh, you're doing relatively low risk. Okay. It was decent, better looking, better than looking at the chart. Problem is with CFD account, levels are different numbers. And I have to rely on chart footprint, which is also not accurate. So what are we relying on? Nothing. Hey, good trade though. Good trade. Yeah, you're looking at, I see here, you're looking at the Nasdaq from CFI, right? That's what you're looking at. Okay. But it does move relative to NQ. Literally faith in the Americans. But yeah, it is moving by Nasdaq, right? I use clusters to rely on my trailing stop, but it's also not accurate. I mean, this looks like a decent exit because I'm still expecting another high to be put in. The sell stop has not been triggered yet. Got to go. Take care, guys. Yo, Rust. I'm gonna be on for 2 more minutes, but yeah. Take care. Hey, no worries. We're gonna see each other on Sunday. On Sunday, we have a backtesting live stream again. The 1 to 1.5 delivered on the 1. Yo. Oh yeah. Okay. Cristo, with that 1 minute, yeah, of course you can refine the interest at the 1 minute, but you gotta know where you're trading from. I think with the 1 minute entries, you should prioritize actually trading from a POI, like an actual POI, like a 50%, not just the zone in its entirety. Yeah, but if you were to trade from an M1. Yeah, of course, it delivered really nicely, And we were expecting a rejection from here, right? Obviously, we do understand that it's a higher time frame entry. Ah, okay. Good that you didn't, but you know, you might see it as missing out on profits, but you didn't, right? You didn't miss out on anything. You know what? I'm gonna go out and say it. I am gonna leave that limit there. I'm gonna leave that limit there. At 3.3 something. 3.38. If you guys want, you can do it too. But if something happens, like a huge move, please. What limit, Deji? Hold on. This one. Okay. Perfect. The 33825. Green on the week. Don't we love to hear that? Now close the platform and go for a walk. Close the computer till the rest of the day. Wait for market to close. And then go back test. Sounds like a perfect week to me. Perfect end of the week. But that I know it seems like a long shot right now, but you never know. This would be my only trade for the week if it does tap. But that's the only high probability setup that I see right now. Like, I'm not gonna participate in this. Like, I don't care. Call me an unprofitable trader, call me whatever. I'm not gonna participate in PA that I don't feel comfortable in participating. That is not obviously not by rules. This is by rules. This is a second swing SNDR, still unmitigated. And this would be a counter trend going lower. But yeah, high probability is the word. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I could have obviously taken all of this in here, but this was after the 4 swings. I'm not gonna take each and every single SNDR, even though it did deliver. For example, this one delivered, right? The next one, boom, a little big though, a little big. We do have SNDRs on the lower time frame, just here, boom, delivered, right? We have this entire zone, which I think it was responsible for something. Somebody did mention. Okay, never mind. It was responsible for a big of a high, but yeah, still the previous swing. A lot of zones here appeared, but I took none because it's not a high probability. The one that doesn't deliver messes up confidence in the next trade. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's why I'm focusing on high probability trades. And if this one doesn't deliver, the 338 one, it's not gonna ruin my confidence because I know that I am currently confident in it. Yo, Crystal, if you're here, brother. Crystal. Please. Yes. Please. Okay? I got a DM from Crystal. Please. Please. Please do. Yes. Okay? You can tell the chat if you want to. But I am answering that question. I'm answering that question, and you can tell the chat if you want to. But please do, okay? And now you gotta share with the class, hey. You're obligated. Not concerned. Just copy paste the message. Had a losing day. You see, even vegan pies, he's all over the place. Ask the chat. Ask the chat, Crystal. Ask the same question. I wonder what they're gonna say. But yeah. Hey. Okay, first answer the question and then W's. Answer the question and then W's. Hey, listen to Wingsane. I strongly agree with Wingsane. Yeah. This is the first payout that's actually, if I'm not mistaken, by rules, right? By rules. Or potatoes. Look, Crystal, W's in the chat. I want to hear you guys. W's. Take it. Enjoy it. Because you can always get a new account. Look, an ROI, from an ROI perspective, the account was on $100, for example. And you're taking 1,000. You're taking 1,000. That's a 10 to 1. 10 to 1. Withdraw that, Crystal. You were already there before. You didn't take it and you got burned. Now take it. Don't get burned again. The account can always grow back to its original size. I'm telling you, you will grow it back. I'm 100% certain, 100, that you will get the account back up. Just risk a little less, like 100, 150, okay? You can always come back. Look, Crystal, I'm so proud of you, man. Let's go. Just make sure to, I want to see the withdraw in the daily wins, or not, the P&L, whatever, the channel. I want to see you withdrawing that money, okay? Be accountable. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. W. I'm so fucking happy. This made my week. This made my week. Let's go. And it is personal because I did, because I saw potential. I saw potential. Now the potential is returning back. If you send a photo, he got notes. I'm leaving this Discord. At the end of the day, yeah. You're probably gonna get the eligibility at the end of the day, I'm presuming. But yeah, just send it. You got till tomorrow. I'm leaving the Discord. I'm leaving. Hey, man, you know, this is personal for me. You actually taking that payout because we did work on it together. And I know that this was all you. I know it was all you, Crystal. It was all you. But it is personal to me. Man, oh man. Ending the stream on a good note. So with thank you, I do see us going higher, sweeping that high, giving in that third swing, that rounding occurring on the 1 minute, and then going lower. There is no you in us. We all share this payout. Hey, let's go. I reached eligible for payout 2 times and didn't take it. Blew both the accounts. On third time I was like, hell nah. Exactly. There's a you in us. Same thing. My payout now. Hey, perfect, guys. So with all that being said, the Nasdaq rounding, I'm gonna leave that limit there. If it's gonna tap, it's gonna tap. If not, I'm gonna share it in the Discord if it does, in the live execution channel. But thank you so much for coming here. Make sure to stay tuned and come for Sunday's backtesting live stream, where we're gonna obviously backtest live the NQ pair, right, on Forex Tester. Without further ado, thank you guys for coming. Today has been a wonderful week, even with no entries. And we're gonna see each other next time. Follow your rules and peace out. Take care.